So daddy already set up the pool today. Look at the boys. So not yet pa. Not yet pa pool ang pool. Awat na nanay customer. Nanay customer ang pool. The pool is back in business. Yeah, Ezekiel? Back in business? Excited sila cause it's hot day man. Saka excited, no na clothes. Oh, but that's okay cause it's hot. Whoa! Boy! It's cold ha, Ezekiel ha. Yan. Ay, happy kayo sila. Not too hard ha, kuan. She's oy. Why? Guys, money. Ano mo sa? Dali na pa bangkok na. Ay! Ezekiel become turtle. Turtle. Hi, turtle. Wak pa na. Sudlan tama ko ring awa na. Sulod na, nagula na. Oh, careful. Not too hard, Ezekiel, ha? Oh gosh! Ano sila, oh. Start pa, dagan-dagan ng tubig. Label! Oh, good job! Because you said play soccer. That's how you do it. Soccer ball. Soccer kick. Sila muna ilang talipay. Daghan na og leaves ang atong pool. Kita man ang data. Leaves na leaves. Yung leaves, oh. Leaves. Ano siya, leaves. Ato na iskupon. Oo eh. Because you're in the water. It's cold, Jude. Not in the face, my love. Matias. OA yung kay kabaw. Super OA. Cheese ni mama here. Cheese. Cheese Hey, what you say? You're funny. Back in business na ang atong pool. Kagahapon ni start og butang. Ay sus na buslot man oy. So may gani na deliver dayon ang patch. Repair kit sa pool. Mao na karon daghan man tubig so na repair na gud. Na repair dayon ni amahan. Gahapon ra ta ni daghan ta ni tubig kaso na may buslot. So may na lang. Nang gani na kuan dayon na repair. Matias please. Matias, did you listen to me? As long see Matias having fun. Silly Ezekiel. Si Myra siya og siya makatanong no. Myra og siya makatanong ba kay tanawa oh. Kamat ang kuya mo reklamo napasirita pero ganina siya pasiritan. Soko. Buti lagi na siya. Uwi kayo uwi. Super cold? Silly. Dahon. Ezekiel, as long as you don't Hit that hose to your brother, ha? Even you, Matias. Hey, turtle. Turtle. Ezekiel, as long as the hose, you don't hit that to your brother. Be careful. Tagan na tubig. Is that cold? Wow. Ligo dami maligo. Ligo-ligo. Hey, Cheese here. Cheese. Dito na pa si Sikel. Di kaligo o boy video. Hi, Matias. Matias are over here. Da, ganina punta. Gamay pagsulot ang call. Karon daghan-daghan na. Woohoo. Kati at juday. Hi, Sikel. Matias, look at here. You and Ezekiel, come here. Say, cheese. Ay, cute mga bebe. Wala si daddy, kay Kikapoy. Huwag nilang katay, kamisang tulo. Hi, Ezekiel. Hello. Hey, why you bumpy?
Or this dad will be the guy.
Hey, are you in the noodle?
That's two noodles. I'm trying to that.
Yeah? Ligo-ligo me. Oy, klaro mapading aning kwa. Pading sa swimsuit. So daghan-daghan na ang tubig, ganing ang bulta gamay ra. Tapos namalik sila, kaya daghan naman tubig. Murabi aning mga isda niya akong mga sukoy.
It's my bag.
I can eat your back. Of course. Eat. Done? You cool? Napa-eat sa ihang ko. Ay. Oh, nagpunta na pahawayan. Oh, summer. Ang atong swimsuit, dili ta katupis kay maulaw ta sa atong mga kabelbelan. So diri na ta sa marag na sayaw-sayaw. Oy! Ayan, nakubo-ubo na. Ang among flamingo. Natuwad na sa flamingo. Tuwad-tuwaders na.
What happened when that's great food?
Ha?
100 flamingo.
100 flamingo.
1,000.
Hi! You dying? Ay, frog man din. There's a frog in the pool.
I got Johnny at one. One big.
We're gonna be in the one. Nagtagbaw na ang English day. We're gonna be overcrowded with flamingo. Flamingo. Wala man si Chike. Go right here.
Not flamingo, but
Wait. Cheese. Look at cute. Are you called my lab?
Yeah.
Going to flamingo.
I'm not beautiful, but they don't eat the bottom.
Did you know? Si Matias partang induya pa sana katugnaw manggod. Ganyan nakaigang pero ang sa iyang naka sa top, kuan siya igang init-init. Nindot ito slow pero pag motoslop ka sa kulhas, katong tugnawa very cold. Pero Matias, nothing beat the cold. English ni Marian. Wala daw sa iyang tugnaw wala sa iyang tugnaw.
Okay, give it to the middle.
Hi, look at here, Ezekiel, Matias. Hi.
I.
Nasa sa noodle. Oh no! Noodle! Wow, good job. Did you float? Good job. That's okay.
I'm gonna be fat.
Pagko ang flote ni Manang. Sige Manang, pag cellphone diha kay ma. Pagbong do mo cellphone Manang. Nanay mi kasaba. Lanog. Very loud, family. Lanog nandun sila. What's happening? Oh, help me. Help me. Oh, dali. Gara si Ezekiel. Ay. Oy. Record. Matias natin. Yeah. Ang Ezekiel surrender na. Look, Matias. It's go in the. It's like your tail. Huh? Tubig baby, si silly. Dagan-dagan ng tubig, sirit na. Sirit. Matias, maski lang unsa na lang may nanaan. Yun ito, Panyor. The water. And the noodle. Paski yun sa lemon unaan bakalingawan. Oh! Oh, good.
A little bit of
Little bit. Need more? You need to put your tail on the water. Look. A seahorse. Huwag na nga mo ang swimmer. Nga. Mwah. Swimmer na mo. Crazy na po no. Go swim. Try to swim, Ezekiel. Oo eh. Hoy. Hoy. Pagka-drama.
It's a beautiful day, my beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.